Today we learn about vegetables name. Let's start. Children, who I am? I am onion. Children, who I am? I am tomato. Children, who I am? I am carrot. Children, who I am? I am potato. Children, who I am? I am brinjal. Children, who I am? I am beetroot. Children, who I am? I am green chili. Children, who I am? I am red chili. Children, who I am? I am cucumber. Children, who I am? I am lady's finger. Children, who I am? I am radish. Children, who I am? I am ginger. Children, who I am? I am garlic. Children, who I am? I am green beans. Children, who I am? I am pumpkin. Children, who I am? I am cabbage. Children, who I am? I am purple cabbage. Children, who I am? I am cauliflower. Children, who I am? I am turnip. Children, who I am? I am pea. Children, who I am? I am bottle gourd. Children, who I am? I am corn. Children, who I am? I am bitter gourd. Children, who I am? I am broccoli. Children, who I am? I am sweet potato. Children, who I am? I am ridge gourd. Children, who I am? I am capsicum. Children, who I am? I am drumstick. Children, who I am? I am spring onion. Children, who I am? I am mushroom. Children, who I am? I am apple gourd. Children, who I am? I am kidney beans. Children, who I am? I am spinach. Children, who I am? I am pointed gourd. Children, who I am? I am chickpea. Children, who I am? I am coriander leaf. Children, who I am? I am curry leaf. Children, who I am? I am zucchini. Children, who I am? I am lettuce. Children, who I am? I am celery. Children, who I am? I am mint. Watching education.